In this video, I'm going to show you how to record professional quality sound by connecting an external microphone to your iPhone using ProCamera app. Just in case you're not familiar with ProCamera, there's a link in the description so you can learn more about this award-winning app made for iPhone. The microphones we'll talk about in this video are the AirPods by Apple, the Shure MV88, the Blue Yeti, and the Instamic. Just be sure to stay tuned until the very end to hear audio samples from each device. First up, I'll show you how to set up the AirPods to be used as a microphone in ProCamera. In your iPhone settings, make sure Bluetooth is turned on and pair the AirPods. Then in ProCamera settings, activate Bluetooth inside the control panel. Once you see that they've successfully connected, you're ready to use the AirPods as an external microphone. Just remember to hit the record button. The AirPods are a smart solution if you want to record your voice hands-free, maybe during an online yoga session. This way you can speak at a normal volume without your device or a microphone getting in the way. And by the way, you can also use the standard EarPods as a microphone. You won't be wireless, but they'll still give you another option when it comes to capturing audio. With video mode open in ProCamera, just plug them in, wait for the confirmation, and you're all set. Next up is the Shure MV88 portable iOS microphone. This one is also really easy. Simply plug the supplied cable from your iPhone to the mic and wait a second for the confirmation. You're now ready to record a music session or conduct an interview, but hopefully with something a little more interesting than a plant. If you're interested in purchasing this mic, we recommend getting the one with the video kit. The kit comes with the Manfrotto Pixie tripod, a mount to hold the iPhone, an additional mount for the mic, the necessary cables, and a carrying case, making it ready for video and audio recording right out of the box. In the number 3 spot is the ever-popular Yeti USB microphone. The Yeti wasn't really made with iOS in mind, but it can be converted to use with ProCamera. You'll just need a Lightning to USB adapter in order to plug it into your iPhone. And once you do, just wait for the confirmation and you're ready to record video with high-quality stereo sound. And last but certainly not least is the Instamic. There are 2 different ways to record using this device. The first involves using the Instamic remote app to stream the audio to the iPhone so you can use it with ProCamera. You'll first want to download the app, then turn on the Instamic by pressing the power button. Wait a few seconds until the lights are green and the Instamic is discovered. Then tap to connect. Tap to open settings. Make sure your screen looks like this before you proceed. Also make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Then tap to connect the Instamic. Open the Instamic app once more and tap for audio streaming. With video mode open in ProCamera, tap the control panel to make sure Bluetooth is enabled. If everything was successful, you'll see a confirmation. And if you weren't, try restarting your iPhone. Now, the second way to record is to do so directly onto the Instamic at 48 kHz. The audio quality will be fantastic, but just keep in mind it will involve a little extra step of syncing your audio file to your video clip yourself. When you stream the Instamic to ProCamera, it's currently set to 16 kHz by default. But if you'd like to be able to stream at 48 kHz with ProCamera, just let us know in the comments. If there's enough interest, we'll consider adding this as an option. Included with the Instamic are 3 very cleverly designed clips, one with tape, Velcro, and a magnet. So you can attach the microphone wherever you like. Here are the audio samples so you can hear how each device performed. We'll start with the iPhone without any microphone connected, just for a frame of reference. This first audio sample you hear now was recorded with ProCamera using the iPhone's built-in microphone. The sample you hear now was recorded using the standard cable headset paired with ProCamera via the Lightning cable. The sample you hear now was recorded wirelessly with the AirPods paired with ProCamera via Bluetooth. The audio sample you hear now was recorded with the Instamic paired with ProCamera via Bluetooth streaming at 16 kHz. The audio sample you hear now was recorded directly onto the Instamic device at 48 kHz. The audio sample you hear now was made using the Shure MV88 microphone paired with ProCamera via the Lightning cable. The audio sample you hear now was recorded with a Blue Yeti paired with ProCamera via USB cable. Because these mics fall under various price points and are designed to be used in different situations, we're not having a showdown here. The purpose of this video is just to let you know some of the microphones you can now use with ProCamera. Which one you choose really depends on your personal needs, what kind of audio quality you're after, and of course your budget. So what did you think of this video? Sound off in the comments and let us know. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.